Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today I am doing an unboxing from our virtual shop with me at Craft Outlet. Now if you've seen that video, which I filmed on Wednesday of this week, today's Friday, you will know that I got extremely frustrated because everything I wanted was out of stock. I calmed down all day Wednesday. On Thursday morning, went back on Craft Outlet, found some stuff that I wanted, looked through some more options, remained calm, and ordered at like 7:30 in the morning on Thursday. It is now... It is 12:42 on Friday. That's impressive even for Craft Outlet. I do, again, live about an hour and a half away from them. Maybe an hour and a half. They live in Baton Rouge, I live in New Orleans. Actually Chalmette, but y'all will know where that is. Okay, so most of this stuff in here is things I added on Thursday, not things you saw on Wednesday, and I've already forgotten. I do know I ordered Halloween, and yes, I'm aware that it is April, but they had Halloween and I said I need that. So let's see what we got. I may or may not have ordered a lot of ribbon. Ooh, y'all already see this, huh? Y'all know what that is. Alright, let me get my invoice here. This is the biggest order I've done in a while. And somehow they still managed to get it in this little bitty box. I need to hire them to come help my mom pack because they're on top of it. Their packing department. Okay, this is the 2.5 inch Cabana Stripes Black and Beige. I got this because I could literally put this in any wreath with a burlap base, and y'all know I do a lot of those. This was $18.95. Vertical woven stripe ribbon rainbow ribbon. I know that's not it, but I was like, wait, is that ugly? But no, okay. There it is. $5.75. I don't like that at all, but it does go with the wreath, so I'll let that one slide. 1.5 inch buffalo plaid with watermelon slices. $4.75. A novelty ribbon. I think this is the first novelty ribbon I've ever bought from Craft Outlet. 2.5 inch woven mini buffalo plaid, red and white. Really? This is the only... This says red and white. RG... No, I don't know where that's at. We'll find it. Might be at the bottom. Trick or treat sign. Oh, the back... Oh, this is foam. Okay. Trick or treat sign, $4.25. I was not expecting that. Foam. Oh, let me get through all the ribbon first, and then I'll come back to the mesh. 2.5 inch Royal Canvas Bold Anchor Ribbon, natural and navy. Oh, here's the... This is a 2.5 inch red and white. Where did I get this? Okay, this is for the watermelon wreath. $3.95. Cabana Stripes Black and Beige. 2.5 inch Royal Canvas Bold Anchor. Again, another novelty ribbon. $5.75. Swiss Dots Cream and Black. $4.75. Faded Denim and Ivory. $3.95. I know y'all already looking and like, what is that he's got right there? 1.5 inch jelly ribbon, hot pink and purple. thought I ordered one of these was supposed to be 2.5 inch. But I know you guys have probably seen this if you've done any, if you're wreath making or if you've watched anybody else. What is this, y'all? This feels like a pool raft. But you know, it'll go in that rainbow wreath. I don't know what else is on that rainbow wreath because I couldn't find this on, but whatever. So these were $5.95 each. You know, I'll figure something out. And 1.5 inch medium stripe ribbon, orange and black. Oh, this is like a satin. Ugh. 1.5 inch diagonal stripe, white and black. RGA1282, yeah. $3.75, and that orange and the orange and black was $3.75 too. 4-inch glitter check ribbon, black and white, $11.95. I think I can use this for my watermelon wreath. I bought a lot of ribbon for one wreath, but if not, this will go over to Christmas, Halloween, all over the place. 4-inch giant harlequin ribbon, black and white. Oh, the check was $11.95. This one's $10.75. 1.5 inch giant 3-size polka dot ribbon, moss green. Is this satin again? Oh, y'all are killing me. 1.5 inch variegated aspid leaves. This one. $5.95. Wait, where are these at? 2.5 inch vertical stripe, fuchsia and white. I don't know. I think I have that in turquoise too. Do I? I think it's maybe. Where is this one? Did I just skip over that? Oh, it was the second one. 2.5 inch juicy watermelon stripe ribbon, $6.50. So these are the two I wanted to see if they went together, which I know they will, but whoa, okay, everything just fell on the floor. Yeah, that's close enough for me. Alright, something fell. Ouch. Alright, and now with the mash, metallic moss apple, $3.95. Black and white foil stripe. Which one do we think that is? This one? No, that's the border mesh. Black and white foil stripe is RE. This one? This is fabric mesh, right? Bold stripe? No, I don't know what's going on. Okay, bold stripe, black and white. No, this is thin. Super bold stripe, black and white, $6.75. Let's do this with process of elimination. Snowball check, plaid, Deco mesh, red and white, $5.50. It's a very pink red. 10-inch poly Deco mesh, tinsel mesh, red and lime green. I'm guessing you. Yeah, you're not Christmas, you're watermelon. Calm down. Border mesh, purple, orange, and black. Wait, this one was $5.50. This one was $5.95. Wow, the border mesh is more than the tinsel mesh? Okay. 10-inch border stripe. Black and white is white and black, sorry. $4.95. Wide foil metallic purple. Why did I get this for Halloween? Okay, I have two border meshes. The border mesh was $4.95. This one's $4.50. Wide foil RE1366 RE1316E7. $4.75. This is just black. This is just black. And RE136602. Wide foil metallic black, $4.50. So that means this one is XB1005. No, that's not it. I don't know what this is. Tinsel, border mesh. I don't know what this is. I mean, it says metallic stripe mesh, but I don't know which one it is. Thin bold stripe mesh, maybe? XB1005. Yeah, this is it. $4.95. Jeez, that was a lot. That was a whole thing. So, yeah. Let's see what I am super excited about. I'm excited about the jelly ribbon, oddly enough. Not sure why. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like try to use it and be like, oh, I hate this. Kind of excited about this. I have a roll of this already, but I like black and whites. Border mesh, no big deal. Purple, no. Can you go in there nice? I think this is how they're shipped, right? Excited for my watermelon wreath. I don't know. This is plain. I think this is gonna go with the watermelon wreath, maybe, or see, because I feel like if I put these together, even if I put a bunch of watermelons on, it's still gonna look like Christmas. So, but this one is very interesting to me, mostly because if I do ruffles, the stripes will be going horizontally instead of vertically. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 rolls of mesh and way too many rolls of ribbon, which keep falling on the floor. This one's cute. It definitely gives me watermelon without watermelon. You'll know I love the 4-inch ribbon, so that's cool. This will be a nice black and white neutral thing. This is for a specific wreath. I don't know what I'm going to do with it after that, because I'm most excited about this, I think. Just because I had this ribbon. I had a ribbon like this. It wasn't the same one. That one didn't come in a 50-yard roll, but I like this one. And it's basically the same. Do I have a wreath with that ribbon somewhere? No, I don't. Okay, so never mind. Again, basic watermelon wreath. And I could probably use this for something else. Halloween. This goes with this one. And probably something else. The jelly ribbon. I've been wanting to buy it for a long time. I never had an excuse to, but now I think I can put it in my ridiculous rainbow wreath, which y'all have seen by now. So if it's in there, that's what happened to it. Watermelon, watermelon, watermelon again, and then these are for the rainbow wreath. This is obnoxious. Like, I have nothing against the rainbow, it's just like, that's a lot. I know y'all have already seen this wreath finished, but this is what it looks like right now. So let me see if... yeah. Okay, I can see that. Can I see this though? Yeah. This is gonna be like just a fun summer wreath, circus wreath, pride wreath. I don't know what I'm doing with this. My sister picked out this mess, y'all. And I said, okay. Alright, so that is everything except for my foam sign. This didn't say foam sign. I don't think I would have bought it if it was a foam sign, because honestly, I don't know, it just looks like, I don't know, it's cute, whatever. You'll know I'll stick it in something else. I'll stick it in something, not something else besides the box. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the second installment of Virtual Shop with me. Hopefully one day I'll do an actual shop with me again if I'm ever out somewhere and feel like taking my camera out and talking through a mask and all that fun stuff. So thanks for watching. Patreon, Instagram, Venmo, Etsy, all linked down below. Yeah, and if you want to learn how to make stuff like this, join us on Patreon, because that is something we could easily make, and we just might. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.